Hey, you balanced lifers, how you guys doing? Today we're going to talk about neurotransmitters as we continue talking about the brain, the mind as a whole, and the mental pillar here. We're going to talk about neurotransmitters. What are they? Are they important? What's the big deal behind them? And so the definition of neurotransmitters, they are chemicals that brain cells use to communicate with other cells and neurons. So they're chemicals and they're effective and they relate and communicate with the cells and neurons in our brain to relay information to another cell, to another neuron, to another synapses. They all work together. And there are two major types of neurotransmitters. There's excitatory neurotransmitters, and you could say that means excited. Those are the excited neurotransmitters, as it's in the name, excitatory. And then the other one is inhibitory. And when you think about inhibit, what do? You slow down or you relax something. And so those are the ones that we're going to say are relaxed. So there's neurotransmitters that are excited ones. They're having a party. They want to go, 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 go. They want to elevate. And there's ones that are for relaxation. They want to chill, bro. They want to relax a little bit. And so I'm going to go through these now, these neurotransmitters, because we have 5 major neurotransmitters. And the first one that we have is called acetylcholine. Acetylcholine. And it is an excitatory neurotransmitter. It is involved in muscle contractions. It is a hormone secretion. It secretes hormones that we need to function properly. And it's involved in memory. If you have a deficiency in this neurotransmitter or the level is messed up, you may have trouble remembering things. In fact, if it's very deficient, some have said that it can be involved in the process of Alzheimer's. The next one is glutamate. Glutamate, and it's an excitatory neurotransmitter, so it's an excited one and wants to jump up and down on a trampoline. And then this one controls pain, it's involved in pleasure, and it's involved in well-being. Now, an interesting thing is, if you've ever heard of MSG, monosodium glutamate, that is a synthetic compound that is put into foods and drinks as a preservative, but also to heighten your neurotransmitter glutamate. Notice monosodium glutamate. And so it's like a faulty reading. It revs up your glutamate in your brain, and that's why certain foods, when you eat them, they're almost addictive. You want to eat them again and again and again, and you can't quite get enough of them. That's because of that, and it's not really a healthy ingredient. That's why a lot of restaurants or foods that don't have them will definitely label them as such, because it's known as a healthy fat, or not putting that in the food or the drinks. The next one is called GABA, and GABA stands for gamma aminobutyric acid. It is an inhibitory neurotransmitter, so it's a relaxed one, and that's what it does. It's involved in relaxation, it's involved in feelings of calm, and it's involved in a restful state. A lot of sleep and relaxation supplements will have GABA in them, thus relaxing you and putting you into a state of calm relaxation. And then the next one is dopamine. You most likely have heard of that neurotransmitter. It is an inhibitory one, so it's for relaxation. It is involved in pleasure, in feel-good feelings and sensation to help you feel good. It's involved in your well-being, a state of everything's okay, a serene state. And it's involved in movement, your movement that you have with your body. And then the last one, the fifth one, is serotonin. And serotonin is an inhibitory, so relaxing neurotransmitter. It produces melatonin, the neurotransmitter / hormone substance that produces sleep. It makes you tired. It makes you ready for sleep. It's good for mood. It regulates your mood. And it regulates temperature. It's involved in temperature regulation. If this neurotransmitter is off, you may feel cold often. And so these are the 5 major neurotransmitters. And if you've noticed, they're all important, but many of them, most all of these neurotransmitters are involved with muscle movements and movements. In fact, many movement muscle disorders are a neurotransmitter imbalance. And some of the side effects that you can get, this can be bad side effects to having high excess or low in excess levels of neurotransmitters. Some people can suffer seizures, Parkinson's, Huntington's, and mood disorders, all because of neurotransmitters. Now, granted, there are tests out there that you can get to show where your neurotransmitters are at. Your doctor can perform that with you. There are medicines that you could take. There are herbal supplements you can take, and diet and lifestyle changes that you can make to help balance out these transmitters. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you soon, Balanced Lifers. Have a good one. Bye-bye.